Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel. By the way, first, I would like to introduce to you myself. I'm Danielle Jose. So this is my channel. So guys, this morning, I'm gonna prepare my viand. So gagawa ko ng ulam this morning. So ito nga yung aking naka-ready na guys. So next vegetables. I'm gonna make a chop soy. This is my viand for this morning, guys. So, chop soy. It's really yummy for me. Although, it's not complete recipes because I don't have pork. I don't have any meat. But, it's vegetables with nor. It's enough for me. Okay? So, wala po ngayon kasi wala akong pang sahog. So, okay na sa akin as long as I have my bayan. So, that's all guys. Naka-ready na din. Naka-ready na din yung aking mga spices like bulb onion, ginger. I have also bawang. Okay? So, gagawin ko na siya para mas maaga ako makapag-breakfast. Right? Kasi after this show, I'm gonna take my breakfast, then preparing myself para sa work. So, yun lang po yung aking ginagawa daily, guys. So, thank you so much sa mga nag-subscribe. This time, right now, is I already have 15 subscribers. Kaya thank you so much. More subscribers soon. And please, after viewing my video, don't forget to like, don't forget to have comments and share, and of course subscribe more importantly. Thank you guys. So ginagawa ko pa, kino-continue ko pa yung aking pagiging ulam today. So, chop soy yung ulam ko this morning. So, I think I will not show to you. Hindi ko na makita yung whole video kasi di ko naman, limited time lang po ang aking video. So, mamaya po, pagka-luto na, yun po yung aking ipapakita sa inyo picture. That's all, guys. And please, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe and share my video. Thank you.